some breaking news. TVK chief Vijay to land in Delhi shortly for the CBI grilling. Vijay to appear before the CBI at 11 a.m. today. CBI will be grilling Vijay in the Karur Stampede case in which he has been summoned as a witness by the CBI. So Vijay is all set to appear before the CBI at 11 a.m. Remember, he left from Chennai in a chartered flight at around 8 a.m. today, and he will be landing in Delhi anytime from now for the CBI grilling. He's all set to appear before the CBI at 11 a.m. today, and this is with regard to the Karur Stampede case in which he has been summoned by the CBI as a witness. The CBI wants to understand the sequence of events, and that is why it will be questioning TVK chief Vijay. And my colleague Shivani Sharma is now joining us with more details on this. Shivani Sharma is present at the IGI airport. Shivani, in how much more time can we expect TVK chief Vijay to land in the national capital?
See, Anjali, we are right now at the Delhi General Aviation Terminal, and this is the place from where actor and politician Vijay will be coming out. He is coming in a private jet, and he will be along with his team, his legal teams also. And what we are being told is that he'll be landing here around 10:30 because of the fog conditions. It might be a bit delay, but he has to appear before the CBI at 11 a.m. So it is being perceived that he will be landing here around 10:30, and from here itself he will be proceeding towards CBI, where he will be questioned in the Stampede case where 41 people had lost their lives last year in this month of September. The investigations have been going on in Chennai, and now here in Delhi, the CBI has summoned the actor and politician Vijay, where he will be appearing before the court, before the CBI today.
All right, Shivani, do stay with us. So in any time from now, TVK chief Vijay will be landing in the national capital. He is set to appear before the Central Bureau of Investigation to be questioned over the Karur Stampede tragedy. TVK chief and witness in Karur Stampede case, Vijay boarded a chartered flight from Chennai to Delhi at 8 a.m. today, and he's set to be grilled by the CBI as the probe agency investigates the Karur Stampede that claimed 41 lives on September 27th last year. The tragedy occurred during an election campaign event of the TVK. The investigation was handed over to the central agency after the Supreme Court ordered a CBI probe into the incident. Vijay will be quizzed at the CBI headquarters at around 11 a.m. today. He was summoned by the probe agency on January 6 as a witness in the case. Ahead of the questioning, the TVK sought security from Delhi police for Vijay's stay in the capital. The ongoing investigation by the CBI is focusing on the several lapses at the rally that may have contributed to the disaster, including the venue capacity, inadequate crowd control measures, poor traffic management, and an insufficient medical response system.
உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது இந்த பழி வாங்கணும் அப்படின்ற எண்ணம் ஏதாவது இருக்குச்சுன்னா என்ன வேணாலும் பண்ணுங்க. அவங்க மேலே கை வைக்காதீங்க. நான் ஒன்று வீட்டில் இருப்பேன், இல்லை நான் ஆஃபீஸில் இருப்பேன். என்ன வேணாலும் செய்யுங்க. நண்பர்களே, தோழர்களே, நம்மளோட அரசியல் பயணம் இன்னும் ஸ்ட்ராங்கராக, இன்னும் தைரியத்தோட கண்டினியூ ஆகும்.
And my colleague Shivani Sharma continues to stay with us. We're also being joined by my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's joining us from the CBI headquarters, where Vijay is all set to appear at 11 a.m. Shreya, give us the latest updates. What are the arrangements that have been made as Vijay will be appearing before the CBI at 11 a.m.?
Well, first and foremost, this is a very important bit of questioning that is happening on the Karur Stampede case. Now, this is the case that they want to question about why Vijay was actually 7 hours late to the rally, which is something which is believed to have caused a dangerous amount of overcrowding. So you'll have to answer on this. The investigation is also examining the sequence of events, the crowd control measures, and there's also been some counter claims from the TVK about the conspiracy by the ruling DMK to discredit them, the fact that a larger venue was not given to them, and there were also stalling of ambulances and other information authorities. So these are the line of questioning that Vijay will be facing. Not the first time we're seeing the Karur stampede questioning happen. Remember, earlier we've also seen TVK functionaries and other TN government officials being questioned in the Delhi in this matter as well. But today has become important because it is none other than Vijay who will be facing the questioning by the CBI officials. And largely the question will surround on the fact that why was he 7 hours late to the rally?
All right, Shreya, do stay with us. Shivani Sharma also continues to stay with us. Shivani, we're also learning that the arrangements for Vijay have been made for 2 days in the national capital. What does this signify?
See, Anjali, what we are being told by the sources that he's arriving here today, he will be staying in Delhi tonight, and tomorrow most probably he has to leave. So there are proper arrangements that are to be made because, you know, he is not only a popular actor but a politician also. And here when he will be appearing before the CBI headquarters, there are proper security arrangements that have been made. I'll keep showing you the visuals out here. Here also, since there is some time, the security and the authorities have taken care. He will be coming out from this particular aviation terminal, and from here he'll be going to the CBI headquarters straight away because the appearance has to be at around 11 a.m. It's already 9:38, and what we are being told by the sources that the flight was a bit delayed from Chennai, and he'll be landing here between 10 to 10:30 because of the weather conditions. Also, there's a lot of fog out here. Visibility is a little low. So he will be landing here. Initially, it was the time was around 9 a.m., but now it is being delayed. So from here, he'll be moving to the CBI headquarters where the questioning has to happen. And the arrangements have been done for him for his stay in the national capital also. So all due measures are being taken care of, Anjali, today for his questioning, which is to be done at the CBI headquarters, as it is the very important day for Vijay to be here in Delhi, and he has already said that he will be cooperating with the agency as the investigation moves ahead. He will be asked certain questions about the stampede, how it happened, what were the measures then, why he got delayed to the venue, and what happened thereafter. So all this will be questioned there at the CBI headquarters, and proper measures have been taken care here at the aviation terminal where he'll be landing shortly, and then he'll be moving to the CBI headquarters.
All right, Shivani and Shreya, do stay with us.